Hello to all my friends out there. So this video is Cupcake Creations. So what I made was, I made whipped cream cake, but I made cupcakes. And so how I made these is I had 1.5 cups whipping cream and I whipped it until it was thick. I will write this recipe in the comments. And then I beat in 3 egg yolks. Then I beat in 1 1/2 cup sugar, 1 1/2 cup vanilla. Okay, I bought the whipping cream at 99 cents only, and I usually use Mexican vanilla. I think it tastes better. Okay, and then the way I did it was I added the baking powder and the salt, 2 1/2 teaspoons baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt, and then I sifted in 2 1/4 cups flour, and then I beat it with my electric beater, and then I beat 3 egg whites stiff, and I folded them into the cake. And then I bake 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to give you here's the recipe right here. But I will type it in too, just to make sure nothing goes wrong. Okay, now let me get one so I can show you. Okay, now the reason you might want to make these is because these are good. You can't buy cupcakes like this. You have to make them. Okay, now the next thing I made was quick and easy frosting. 1/2 cup butter Crisco or Spry. I don't know what that is. I use Crisco from Walmart. 1 teaspoon flavoring. I use Mexican vanilla. 1 box powdered sugar and 1 egg white. Okay, here in California we don't like eating raw eggs. So I use my egg replacer. For 1 egg, it's 1 1/2 teaspoons egg replacer and 2 tablespoons warm water. Here's what it looked like. And so, and then I use my shelf-stable milk, and I just thinned it down. And here is the frosting. This is good stuff. And let me give you a quick shot of the recipe so nothing goes wrong. Quick and easy. And let me tell you, and I bought these cute cupcake holders at 99 cents only. Okay, so this frosting is delicious. So you can thin it down with milk to get it as thick as you like it. I like my frosting kind of creamy. Always like mine kind of pointed. And then, I have red and orange sprinkles. Those are just the ones I had, so. Cupcake Creations. Okay, you guys, I will type the recipes on the comments. And I'll be back. I don't know what video I will do next. It will come to me. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.